My name is Diane Dunham. I'm the clerk of the City of Brunswick Municipal Court, where I worked with William Ligon for about 15 years. During the 15 years, I found that he was a man of great character and he cared about his community. Anytime that he saw that there was a problem in the community when it came before him in court, he did what he could to change it. When he noticed that there was a problem with the DUIs in the community, he made an effort to get that to stop. He increased the fines and the jail time to make the DUIs decrease. Because I take the records in the court, I pulled up the records for 2000 to 2002. The DUIs were 601. The records for 2006 to 2008, the DUIs had decreased to 297 cases. He also showed that he cared by talking to the young men that came before him. He tried to make a difference in their lives by becoming a father to them and not just judging them, but telling them the right way to go. And a lot of them finished school and joined the military because of it. And they would come back before me and ask for the judge that looked like Superman because they wanted to thank him for what he had done for them. In appreciation to William T. Ligon Jr. for your outstanding leadership, loyalty, and friendship. God's light shines so brightly in you that its rays have been a light in our lives. Your work in the court has made a positive difference in the lives of many. Be blessed and continue to let your light shine.
Hi, I'm Mayor Brian Thompson, the City of Brunswick, and I'm here now to say a few words about William Ligon, or as I knew him for many years, Judge Ligon. For 16 years, he served this community in capacity as our municipal court judge, and he was one of those folks that took on this role as a judge not as a position of power, but as a position of responsibility. And his dedication to that role fundamentally changed many, many aspects of our community over those 16 years. Now, nobody likes to go to court, but time and time again, I heard afterwards of people who came back, who looked for Judge and thanked Judge for what he had given them. Now, it might have been a sentence and it might have been a fine, but he gave them a little more than that. He usually gave them counsel. He gave them direction. And in many instances, particularly with the younger people, he gave them a sense of hope. And that is something that is very rare and very unusual in any human being, but particularly in a judge.